Bonjour, my name is Justin. Today I am going to show you how to make a garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. And no, I am not French. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Right after, hold on. Shut up. Shut up. There we go. Hold on. Okay, false start. Somebody call Patrick Mahomes. Let's get it. I am not a parent, but I do know how hard it is to cook with kids. That's why this is going to be easy crockpot recipe to all you moms out there. Step one. Good job, Justin. Now let's try turning it on. Great job. Now the actual recipe calls for 2 pounds of chicken breasts. I'll tell you personally, you probably don't need 2 pounds. I'm using 1.2. So just finish throwing them in there. And don't forget the tap rotisserie chicken. But all jokes aside, we are using raw chicken, so make sure you wash those hands. Alright, next it asks for cream cheese to be softened. Not sure why, so I'm just going to do everything for the cream cheese so it doesn't gain any responsibilities in life. And there you go. Set it over there for now. Alright, so next you're going to grab 1 bottle of the Buffalo Wild Wings Garlic Parmesan wing sauce. Damn, I'm cool. Next, put the sauce into the crock pot. But keep in mind that the sauce is a sociopath and it feeds off of your struggling. So this will be fun. See? Aw. Next, you need to go grab the milk. Go grab the milk. And then you're going to pour it inside this bottle without spilling it all over the kitchen. You will also need that bottle cap that you strategically lost earlier. Once you have the cap on the bottle, you are then going to shake it like you are a grad student trying to make your way through college. Then just go ahead and dump it in the crock pot. Then of course we're going to wash them hands again. Then we're going to go get our hands on that punk ass, soft ass cream cheese from earlier. Y'all, it says to cube the cream cheese, but I don't know if you've ever cubed soft cream cheese. Not that easy. Maybe cube it before you soften it. And don't be a punk ass yourself. Make sure you clean as you go. Then you just want to stir it up real good, making sure to give it a nice even coating on the entire chicken. Let it sit in there for about 2.5 hours on high. Stay tuned for part 2.